Bloom is a hybrid exchange providing easy access to any coins and tokens plus simple derivatives via Telegram mini app. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel.
Stop.
Today, another app, another topic. I will share this topic about Bloom, but remember first to subscribe my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel, like, share, and comment. Then remember all my videos is always for educational purpose only, not a financial advice. Okay? So today I will share with you this app, but this is not another tap tapping app, but it is also a trading app in a one app, no, all crypto. So what is the uses of this app? So based on their platform, so our platform utilizes a hybrid setup, blending off-chain order book and on-chain settlement. So trade straight from your favorite wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. So maybe it is like a Trojan, the the PP bot, or any app in a DEX or decentralized exchange, no? Then automatic token listing based on liquidity analysis with crafted Lightning Pass access to press tokens made easy for you. Then number three is an exclusive perk trading right through Telegram. Our mini app is tailor made for mobile users. Spice up with game mechanics, collect points, then turn them into tokens. Okay, so they have also their gaming, but not a tapping. No? Picked by Binance Labs in their 7th MVB Accelerator season out of 700 projects. You're one of the lucky 13. So this is promising, guys. So just try, but research first before trying this new app. I think this is a trading app. So if you want to try, just click all this link, no? Then since I already uh, joining this app, so we will click this launch app, click the launch app, then pop up. Then this is my dashboard. So I have already 6,700 Bloom points. So just click this task. So join trading apps, then Bloom Academy class, join BitGet. So one of the centralized exchange BitGet, then farm BP. So this is the task you will do to earn Bloom tokens, no? So after this farming, so you have I think 57 tokens, then click, then after clicking the 57 or 59 Bloom points or token will added in your balance. Then you have to click again the farming, and you will wait I think 5 hours, no, before you can claim another token. Then you can invite your friends. So I will put the link in my description so that you can try this Bloom token, and we will see if it will listed on decentralized exchange or in their own app, and their token will have their own value and be listed on any centralized exchange in the future. Okay, but always remember This is not a financial advice. Always do your research before joining any free Telegram app or Telegram bot. I hope you learned something today, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. Thank you and have a good day to all.